Hi everyone, I'm Sarah, and this is Budgetsew, where we create stylish, fashionable looks as inexpensively as possible. Today, I'm going to show you my fabric and notions haul that I bought from Fabricland online, but first, I'm going to show you one of my makes. Today, I'm wearing Simplicity 4183 View A. Simplicity 4183 is an everybody craft coat, pants, and tote pattern by Patty Reed Designs. It was published in 2006. The jacket, View A, has long sleeves, pockets, and pleating. The pants have an elastic waist, and the tote is so cute. I bought this pattern for $1.99 from Value Village. The navy blue fabric was 150 centimeters wide and just over 3 meters long. It's a woven polyester, I think, and I paid $4.99 for the entire piece of fabric at Value Village. The pattern calls for 2.8 meters of fabric, so I had some fabric left over to lengthen 2 of my dresses. I bought this pattern in a size large to double extra large, but my measurements are actually a medium. I graded the pattern down to a size medium, or so I thought, and sewed it all together, but it was way too big. Rather than give up on the project, I seam ripped the entire jacket and cut the fabric pieces even smaller. I crossed my fingers, sewed it all together again, took a deep breath, tried it on, and it fit. In addition to grading the pattern, I made another change to the original design. The pattern calls for 4 buttons, but I added a bright yellow vintage button and 1 snap closure to close the jacket. Even though I ran into some problems with this jacket, I love the finished look. To complete the look, I'm wearing an Alexandra t-shirt and Jacob jeans that I bought at Value Village thrift store. The brand new Sperry Top slider shoes are also from Value Village. And the lion's head gold earrings were in a Ziploc bag full of jewelry that I bought for $5 at a church Christmas bazaar. Now, on to the order. The first thing I do when I'm online shopping, or any kind of shopping really, is look for a sale. Lucky for me, the Fabricland online website has a page just for sales. I scrolled through all 16 pages of sale fabrics, notions, and sewing accessories and found some great prices and lovely fabric. One of my concerns about online fabric shopping was, how would the fabric arrive? Would it arrive in 1 meter pieces, 2 meter pieces, or would the fabric be in the full length? I decided to take the plunge and place the order. I ordered 5 meters of Axtel home decor prints in color 652 Wedgwood. It has an off-white background with blue sketched animals. There's zebras, elephants, giraffes, leopards, tigers, and flamingos all over this fabric. And I'll show it to you here. It's really pretty. The print is a little larger than what I expected, but I still love it. A little note for my next order: double check the tape measure across the top of the sample fabric to know the exact size of the print. The fabric was $6 a meter, marked down from $36 a meter, and was sold in full meters. I bought 5 meters and it arrived in the full 5 meter length. No pieces. It's 100% cotton, but dry clean only. It's 140 centimeters wide and is a medium weight cotton. The description says that this fabric is great for cushions, cushion covers, light upholstery, and other indoor decorating projects like bags and other craft ideas. Does a new skirt count as a craft idea? I'm going to use this fabric for a vintage simplicity pattern. I'm going to use Simplicity 7467. It was published in 1976 and is a two-piece dress in 2 lengths. The top is top stitched and softly gathered to the yoke with a low round neckline. Below the elbow length raglan sleeves that are gathered with elastic casings and an optional purchased belt. The skirt is gathered to the waistband and has a side zipper. View 1 of the skirt has a double ruffle and view 2 has a single ruffle. In the comments section, let me know your thoughts about using home decor fabrics for clothing. Before I continue on with the fabric and sewing accessories haul, please share this video with your friends and family. I'd love to help others sew and refashion on a budget and troubleshoot their favorite patterns. I also love sharing the treasure that I find at thrift shops. If you'd like to see more from Budgetsew, please subscribe and make sure that the bell is on so you receive a notification when I release a new video. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook at Budgetsew. Now, back to the haul. The next item I bought was 3.65 meters or 4 yards of black double fold bias tape for $2.80. This item was the reason I placed the order. I'm sewing Vintage McCall's 2138. This is a dress pattern with or without long or short set-in sleeves and a center back zipper. The dress has princess seaming in the front and the back and has a faced and interfaced neck. The long sleeve dress has detachable contrast collar and cuffs. The notched collar and cuffs are faced and bound with bias tape. The collar is included in the neckband facing seam. The short sleeve dress has a contrast line dickie. The collar, neckband, and dickie are snapped to the underside of the dress. The sleeveless dress has faced armholes and novelty trimmed neckline. I'm making the long sleeve dress with the detachable cuffs, so stay tuned to Budgetsew for a future sew along. The next item I bought was this black 70 centimeter or 28 inch one-way separating zipper for $4.75. This zipper will replace the broken zipper in my boyfriend Brad's zippered hoodie. Buying a replacement zipper is a great way to extend the lifetime of the garment, and a replacement zipper is not as hard as you think it is. Once you've done it, you'll see that it's a quick and easy fix and wonder why you didn't do it sooner. Next, I bought a 44 millimeter black zipper pull for $2.99. This zipper pull is a replacement for Brad's winter coat. The zipper works great, but the zipper pull broke off the coat, and right now he's using a key ring to pull the zipper up and down. I think that a replacement zipper pull will look much better. So this bag has the last items that I bought. I bought 6 45 centimeter or 18 inch dress and skirt zippers in 3 colors, white, cream, and black. I bought 2 of each color. The zippers were $1.65 each, so they were a great price, and I'm running low on zippers. I hope you enjoyed my Fabricland online order. Please like and share this video with your friends and family. And if you'd like to see more from Budgetsew, please subscribe. And if you'd like to stay up to date with Budgetsew, follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook at Budgetsew. Thanks for watching. See you next time.